Today, we explore the Syshaus, an innovative architectural project by Studio Arthur Casas, merging sustainability, flexibility, and modern aesthetics. The design features simple, clean volumes, combining flat planes and geometric lines. The modular system of pillars, beams, and joints allows customization in form and function. Built using an assembly method, the house is erected without waste, using standardized elements for quick and sustainable construction. The structure allows up to 3 floors. The interior spaces are open and flexible, utilizing movable modules for kitchens and cabinets. The layout prioritizes functionality, offering customizable configurations for different needs. Natural light is abundant, with large windows framing the surrounding nature. The open-plan interior is illuminated with soft, indirect lighting, enhancing the home's serene atmosphere. The materials include sustainable options, such as eco-friendly wood panels, and modular flooring and wall systems. The construction emphasizes reducing environmental impact, avoiding excess resource consumption. The design incorporates minimalist furniture, designed by Arthur Casas. Everything is modular, enhancing flexibility. The interiors use neutral colors and organic textures for a calming ambience. Sustainability extends outdoors, with green roofs and rainwater harvesting systems. A biodigester turns organic waste into energy, aligning the home's ecosystem with nature. Syshaus is an ideal synthesis of innovation, sustainability, and aesthetic refinement, showcasing how architecture can elevate modern living while respecting the environment.